And full select variables. Avionics switch, electric braking mount off. Circuit breakers check in, clear. Before starting engine checklist clear. Starting engine checklist. Mixture reach. Throttle open. carburetor in. And master switch on. Beacon and nav light on. Prime once. Yeah, sure. And propeller area clear. Clear prop! And ignition switch start. Radio check it, clear. And transponder 1200 clear. Taxi up to open area, clear. Reason 80s.
Long Beach Airport information, Oscar 2053 Zulu, wind 2006, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 28, dew point 9er, altimeter 29906. ILS runway 30 approach and use. Runway 30 arrivals, runway 26 left tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures, runway 26 right tower frequency 120.5. All departing aircraft contact clearance delivery prior to taxiing on 118.15 with position and departure point. Ground traffic use 133.0. Land and hold short operations in effect. Notice to airmen, bird activity in vicinity of airport. Crane 0.4 nautical miles west at or below 160 feet AGL. Temporary flight restriction in the Oceanside area. Contact flight service for information. Advise on contact if information, Oscar. Long Beach Airport information, Oscar 2053 Zulu, wind 2006, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 28, dew point 9er, altimeter 29906. ILS runway 30 approach and use. Runway 30 arrivals, runway 26 left tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures, runway 26 right tower frequency 1.
Runway 26 right for your departure runway, contact ground for taxi, good day.
Over the ground and thank you, good day, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Altimeter 29906. Clear. And taxi instruction. We are on the runway area.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we have to contact clearance.
No.
No? Okay.
Contact if information, Oscar.
Oscar, taxi 26 right, please.
For 3 Juliet Alpha, runway 26 right, join Kilo and hold short of runway 30.
Taxi 26 right via Kilo, hold short 30, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Then run up checklist, parking brake set, throttle 1000, cabin doors and windows closed, and flight control free and correct check. Right aileron up, elevator is up, left aileron is up, correct, and other check, clear. First select the variables, mixture reach, elevator trim takeoff, throttle 1700. Magneto test. Both. Right. Both. Left.
Number 3 Juliet Alpha, Kilo cross runway 30, and then continue via Kilo Towers 120.5.
Okay, cross 30 at Kilo, continue 26 right, and over the tower 1205, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Green. And alternator ammeter check.
clear. throttle 1000. Extra lean. Flight instrument check. Clear. 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 Command nav check and set. Clear. Flap set 0 clear. Doors and window closed. Departure and return. We make grab traffic Long Beach Airport.
Yes, sir.
Yep, clear and brake release. Long Beach ground Cessna 3048 Echo, runner complete.
Yeah, I'm sorry, say again?
Cessna 3048 Echo, runner complete.
48 Echo, continue taxi.
Continue taxi 3048 Echo. Takeoff briefing. Runway 26 left, normal takeoff. Make left traffic, left turn at 700 feet. Sky is clear, wind from the left and forward. Yeah. And what is it? Emergency on takeoff. During takeoff, RPM or the oil pressure is not good. We full brake, yoke to chest and flaps up, and return to here and restart takeoff. And below 800 feet, we land straight and restart the engine and over.
On the ground, flying 873, Sierra Charlie at the run and
Return
complete.
to airport.
Number 3, Sierra Charlie, continue taxi.
Sierra taxi, Sierra Charlie.
Briefing clear. Complete. Long Beach Tower, Cessna 3048 Echo, holding short for 26 left, request make left traffic.
Number 304 Echo, Long Beach Tower, follow traffic upwind, left coast traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear the takeoff, runway 26 left, 3048 Echo. Light, camera, action. Throttle full open. Engine instrument all green. Airspeed alight. 55 knots. Rotate.
Long Beach Tower, swing 873 Charlie, Hotel 26 left at box yard, ready for takeoff, I-bar release.
Runway 73 Sierra Charlie, Long Beach Tower, traffic upwinds remaining in the pattern, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, 26 left, sir, 73 Charlie.
905 Delta, runway 26 left, clear for the after.
905 Delta, 26 left, clear for Delta, 905 Delta.
feet, left front. Left front. feet, level flight, pitch. Power.
Number 48 Echo, you're number 2, flying traffic ahead of you in the downwind, runway 26 left, clear 3 after.
Runway 26 left, clear the option. 3048 Echo.
Number 2.
Number 3 Sierra Charlie, contact SoCal departure, go fly.
Yeah, number 2.
That's SoCal departure, Charlie.
Your traffic's in the base.
Yep. Before landing checkery, landing light on, carpet on. Mixture reach, full selective air bus. Before landing checkery is clear.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 952 Alpha on the ILS 30, requesting to be affirming.
9520 Alpha, Long Beach Tower, towards VFR turn southbound prior to runway 30.
Southbound prior to 30, Cessna 952 Alpha.
Baseline?
Do you see your traffic?
No.
Okay, well, he already turned base, so yes.
Yep. 85 knots, left hand, and base turn.
Long Beach Tower, 220 Whiskey Charlie, over the Queen Mary, 26 left with Oscar.
Number 220 is Charlie, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Traffic 26 left, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Final turn. Reduce power.
Make sure you don't overspeed the flaps.
Yep.
Pitch up. You got
Pitch
20
up.
degrees of flaps. You can't go out the wide arc.
Number 0 Whiskey Charlie, trap 12 o'clock in a mile, southeast bound to swing, climbing out 2,300.
Insight, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Seven knots flap ferry. Maintain 65.
Number 0 Whiskey Charlie, you're following traffic 12 o'clock 2 miles, crosswind at downwind, over Signal Hill 1000.
Reduce power.
13 for traffic, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 905 Delta, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 905 Delta.
Flaps up.
2 Julia Alpha, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, 1000 Cessna downwind for runway 26 left.
Right rudder.
Traffic in sight, Cessna 2 Alpha.
65 knots, rotate.
Number 905 Delta, traffic 2 mile final runway 30, be at southbound turn prior to runway 30.
Roger, 905 Delta.
So smooth landing.
Huh?
So smooth landing.
So much landing?
Smooth.
You're getting it, yeah. There we go. That's one. You did what? You did 4?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Number 48 Echo, you're following the Cessna over Signal Hill, entering the downwind 1200.
Looking, we'll follow 48 Echo.
Cessna 2 Alpha is turning southbound.
Number 2 Julia Alpha, maintain VFR southbound, contact SoCal departure 125435.
4535, have a good day, Cessna 952 Alpha.
Good day.
Army Tower, Cessna 229 Whiskey Charlie, just west of Fullerton at 2000, inbound for runway 26 left with information Oscar.
Number 229 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, right base over 605. So runway 26 left.
Whiskey Charlie.
700 feet. Make left turn.
Number 905 Delta, base approved, runway 26 left, cleared for the action.
Base approved, 26 left, clear for the option 905 Delta.
Number 0 Whiskey Charlie, number 2, runway 26 left, clear 2 left.
26 left, clear to left,
Normal. Left turn. Feet. Level flight. Pitch. Power. Entry.
Long Beach Tower, Skyhawk 846 Sierra Papa, 1 mile south of Queen's Gate at 2000. Would like to request orbit around Queen Mary and depart southbound.
Before landing checklist clear.
Colin Tower, say again.
Skyhawk 846 Sierra Papa, south of Bend at the Break Wall, 1800. We would like to request entering your airspace to orbit around Queen Mary, and then we'll depart southbound.
846 Sierra Papa, Long Beach Tower, measure approved, Long Beach Altimeter 2995. There's traffic a mile north of your position, orbiting 1900 indicated.
2995, we'll descend down to 1500, 846 Sierra Papa.
Do you see our traffic?
No.
There you go.
Traffic in sight, 846 Sierra Papa.
6 Sierra Papa, maintain visual separation from that traffic.
Maintain visual separation, 60 Papa.
November 48 Echo, you're number 2, following traffic, head to your left, mile final, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, running 26 left, clear the option. 3048 Echo.
Tower, here's Charlie. Can we get the opposite on this one?
Number 0 was Charlie, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Left hand.
26 left, clear for the opposite, here's
Release
Charlie.
power. And base turn.
Number 905 Delta, turn left, Foxtrot 3, can I go?
Foxtrot 3, contact ground, 905 Delta.
Number 9 Whiskey Charlie, 2 direct numbers, runway 26 left, clear, 2 line.
Director numbers 26 left, clear to land now, Whiskey Charlie.
Roll
Long Beach Tower, Sky 5399 Juliet, 3,500. Just to be coming up on the blimp, inbound for 26 left with Oscar.
Number 5399 Juliet, Long Beach Tower, enter left down, runway 26 left.
Left down, enter left down, 126 left, 99 Juliet.
Seven knots flaps are 8. Reduce power.
I think you got enough altitude, right?
Yep.
So just put the nose down, reduce some power. 65 knots still. Yeah, there you go. You still got extra altitude, right?
Yeah.
So reduce the power more if it's not idle.
Power idle.
Alright, good.
And 65 knots.
See?
Oh, good.
You're gonna float past it too. Let it come down a little more. A little bit much.
Long Beach Tower, November 573 uniform, holding short, 26 left at the river.
Flaps up.
Number 5273 uniform, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Carpet in.
Number
Engine
0 Charlie, stand down.
for green. Airspeed
Standing
line.
down with 0 with Charlie.
5 knots. Rotate.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 8460 Papa, departing south.
700 feet.
Number 60 Papa, Roger, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 60 Papa, thank you.
So you can have the stall horn go off, but try to get it going off a little bit lower to the
Number
ground.
9 was charged, 10 West Foxtrot 3, kind of go.
Left box ready, you can already got now, it's charged.
Number 0 Whiskey Charlie, last option for noise abatement. Runway 26 left, start the option.
26 left, 30 feet on 0 Whiskey Charlie.
1100 feet. Level flight. Pitch.
5273 uniform, left up is approved, runway 26 left, good takeoff.
Power.
Perfect takeoff, runway 26 left, 70 uniform.
And trim. Good. Before landing checklist, Manila Iron, carpet on.
Number 48 Echo, unit number 2 following traffic on that 2-mile left base, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear the option, runway 26 left, clear to land, 3048 Echo.
Number 48 Echo, it's going to be a full stop only due to noise abatement.
Full stop, 48 Echo.
This service, pre-selectable bus. Before landing checklist clear. This time we have to do first stop.
Yep.
Long Beach Tower, Denver Star 537 Mike Alpha over Queens Gate, inbound for landing at 26 left. With information, Oscar 537 Mike Alpha.
Number 537 Mike Alpha, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic runway 26 left.
Left traffic 26 left, 537 Mike Alpha.
Here's our gravity information, pop current, Long Beach altimeter 29904.
You saw our traffic?
Yeah.
Okay.
Route 80 knots left 20. Wind. Seven knots flap, sorry.
Number 99 Juliet, your number 2, following traffic on a mile, final runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, side 99 Juliet.
Power.
Number 0 was charge tower, early left crossway.
Left cross into Trevor.
Number 0 Whiskey Charlie, extend downwind.
Nose down.
Extend down 10 Whiskey Charlie.
Nose down.
Nose down.
There you go. Now round out.
Number 48 up, number 48 Echo, turn left, Foxtrot 3, kind of go.
Contact ground 3048 Echo.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 90260 Tango, horizontal runway 26 left.
Go to runway
Cherokee
26 left.
53, runway 26 left, taxi Foxtrot.
Thank you, taxi 26 left to Foxtrot 53.
Repeating, neutraling, flaps up.
Foxtrot 3.
Long Beach ground Cessna 3048 Echo, Foxtrot 3, request taxi runway 26 left.
Number 304 Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi Foxtrot.
Runway 26 left, taxi by Foxtrot 3048 Echo.
Long Beach ground, Cessna 73 Delta Golf, at signature request taxi to 26 left, with run-up.
Number 73 Delta Golf, Long Beach ground, pass behind the Cessna, runway 26 left via Foxtrot.
Taxi via Foxtrot, 26 left, behind the Cessna 3 Delta Golf. Long Beach ground, check 1113, at signature 26 left with run-up.
Clear track 1113, Long Beach ground, oh I see you there. Follow the Cessna, runway 26 left via Foxtrot.
Follow Cessna, 26 left via Foxtrot with run-up, clear track 1113.
Long Beach Tower Cessna 3048 Echo, holding short runway 26 left, request make left traffic.
Number 304 Echo, Long Beach Tower, stand by. Number 60 Tango, stretch your right turn towards 91605.
descend now in front, 91645, 60 Tango.
Juliet, contact now. Zero Whiskey Charlie, turn left Foxtrot 4, contact ground.
Foxtrot 4, contact ground, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 60 Tango, there's traffic over the 710-91, eastbound along the 91, 3,100 indicated. Contact SoCal departure.
Contact for SoCal departure, 60 Tango.
Number 7 Mike Alpha, turn left Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Good ground, 537, Mike Alpha.
Number 304 Echo, make left close traffic, running 26 left, clear to take off.
Running 26 left, clear to take off, 304 Echo. Light, camera.
Long Beach Tower, clear check 473, Porsche Lane 26 left, Officer 1 left, close traffic.
Clear track 473, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Full power. Engine instruments for green. Airspeed for light. .55 knots, rotate.
Clear track 473, follow traffic upwind, left close traffic, running 26 left, clear to take off.
26 left, clear for takeoff, clear check 473.
(700 feet), aircraft touch.
Long Beach Tower, it's 0 Whiskey Charlie holding short 26 left close traffic.
Number 220 is Charlie, Long Beach Tower, follow traffic upwind, left close traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
6 left, clear for takeoff, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Aircraft touch. 1100 feet, level flight, pitch. And power.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 73 Delta Golf, holding short 26 left, requesting 91605 departure.
783 Delta Golf, Long Beach Tower, extend upwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Extending downwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, 3 Delta Golf.
3 Delta Golf, extend upwind.
Extend upwind, 3 Delta Golf.
Number 48 Echo, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, 3048 Echo.
Clear track 473, number 2, flying traffic downwind, to beam the numbers, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, clear track 473, you guys are on full stop.
Clear track 473, terminal, full stops only after 3 p.m. on the weekend, noise abatement.
I just forgot what day it was. 473, thanks.
Base tuck. 85 knots, left 10.
Number 3, Whiskey Charlie, number 3, flying traffic downwind, to beam the numbers, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Number 3, 26 left, clear to land, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Roll out.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 80853, holding short of runway 26 left turn at the river.
Number 80853, Long Beach Tower, traffic on a mile, left base, no delay, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, left at the is approved.
No delay, clear for takeoff 80853.
Number 3 Delta Golf, start your right turn towards 91605.
Starting right turn, 91605, 3 Delta Golf.
75 knots, left 30. Add power.
Pitch down. Pitch down. There you go. There you go. Reduce power, nose down. Now round out. Yep, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder.
Number 3 Delta Golf, contact SoCal departure, good flight.
Left wing down.
Contacting departure, 3 Delta Golf, thanks.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Number 48 Echo, turn left Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Contact ground 3048 Echo.
Main terminal.
Crash 1 Long Beach Drive, proceed via the Arc Road Gulf, hold short, runway 30.
Proceeding Arc Road, Golf, holding short of 30, crash 1.
Air 94, hold short of Foxtrot 3.
Long Beach ground Cessna 3048 Echo. Foxtrot 3, request taxi runway 26 left.
Air 594, hold short of Foxtrot 3. Number 51594 Long Beach Drive.
51594, go ahead.
Number 594, hold short of Foxtrot 3.
Hold short, Foxtrot 3, 594.
Long Beach ground 432 Charlie Echo is at OCR with information Papa ready to taxi 26 left.
Crash 1, cross runway 30 Gulf, continue via Charlie, Charlie 1.
crossing 30, continuing Golf, Charlie 1, Unit Terminal, crash 1.
Other craft, knots, November 48 Echo, other craft again.
432 Charlie Echo is at OCR with information Papa ready to taxi 26 left.
Number 432 Charlie Echo, long beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
26 left via Foxtrot, 2 Charlie Echo.
Long Beach ground, Cessna 3048 Echo, Foxtrot 3, request taxi, runway 26 left.
Number 304 Echo, long beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot 3048 Echo.
Number 594, continue taxi.
Continue taxi 594.
Long Beach ground, crew check 473, clear 26 left, Foxtrot 4, 26 left.
Per track 473 Long Beach ground, behind traffic, straight ahead, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
26 left via Foxtrot behind aircraft, crew check 473. Ground Southwest 3278 is Papa, gate 1, push.
Southwest 3270 Long Beach ground, push your discretion.
Clear to push, Southwest 3270.
Southwest 3270, roger, push your discretion.
Clear to push, Southwest 3270, thank you.
Tower, Cessna 304 Echo, 26 left, close traffic.
Number 304 Echo Long Beach, Tower, make left close traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, close traffic, 4 Echo.
Engine light, camera, and action. Full power. Engine instruments all green. Airspeed alive. 55 knots, rotate.
Alright, go a little early.
Yep. Curve 10.
Long Beach Tower, clear check 473, Hoosier runway 26 left, Foxtrot 1, left of traffic.
Oh.
Clear track 473 Long Beach, Tower, follow traffic in the crosswind, left close traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, clear check 473.
Forward Echo, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left clear to land 3048 Echo. Level flight. Pitch. Tower. Before landing checklist. Landing light on carpet on. Mixture reach. Full select barrel bus. Before landing checklist clear. 90 knots, flap 10.
Alright, go turn left.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna go final and I'm gonna have you slip, alright?
Yeah.
So maintain your altitude.
Maintain. For the sleep with flap 10 or?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine? Okay.
On your test, you're probably gonna do it no flaps, okay?
When the wind from forward, where do I have to?
Your choice.
Okay. I
Pitch forward a little bit so you don't get slow. Alright, power idle.
Alright.
Pitch forward.
Pitch forward.
Okay. Pitch a little more forward.
Forward.
Alright.
Long Beach Tower, Spring 737, Papa Tango's on the practice RNAV 30. We'd like to circle 26 left, left at the river.
There you go, that's alright. Pitch up a little bit.
737 Papa Tango, Long Beach Tower.
Yep.
Even if you circle the runway 26 left, due to noise band, you still have to full stop.
Recover.
We'll full stop.
Now recover. Pitch up.
737 Papa Tango, port your circle east of the field, left base runway 26
Sorry, keep
left.
going. I'm doing this on purpose. Flaps.
We'll report our circle 7
Pitch
Papa
up.
Tango.
Wide arc. Get the flaps in. Flaps all the way in.
Left on land.
Okay. Pitch for your approach speed. 65.
65.
Alright, keep going. Obviously, we're high, right?
Yeah, we have to go around.
We do have to go around, but keep going.
Okay.
Doing this on purpose, alright? 65. Plenty high. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, so this looks like we're high, right?
Yeah.
And Papa Tango, does a low approach count for the noise abatement?
Targeting, medium pitch flap 20. Oh, 20.
Okay.
Tower 304 Echo, go around.
48 Echo, make left approach out, runway 26 left.
Close traffic, 48 Echo.
And number 7 Papa Tango, no actions, no low approaches, only full stop.
Flap 0.
Roger that, 7 Papa Tango, we actually got light to go best to the south.
Number 7 Papa Tango, roger. You can expect that in about another mile and a half. I'll call you turn southbound.
Roger that, 7 Papa Tango.
48 Echo, request early crosswind.
48 Echo, early crosswind crew.
Approved. Left turn.
Clear track 473, extend downwind.
Stand down, clear track 473.
Long Beach Tower 432 Charlie Echo is holding short of 26 left, ready for departure for northeast bound.
Traffic.
Good. You could have gotten all the way cleaned up before calling tower.
Yeah.
Right? Fly the airplane fully. But you did the first part right. Full power, carb heat in, 30 to 20 with medium pitch, right?
Yeah.
So that was good. Try to get it cleaned up the rest of the way, then call them.
Okay.
Number 48 Echo, extend downwind.
Extend downwind 304 Echo.
7 Papa Tango, start your VFR turn southbound now. Maintain VFR southbound, contact SoCal departure 125.35.
Turning southbound 12535, 7 Papa Tango. Long Beach Tower, Sirius 432 Charlie Echo is holding short of 26 left for 9165 departure.
Number 432 Charlie Echo, Long Beach Tower, extend upwind runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, extend upwind 432 Charlie.
Entry. Keep landing checklist.
Clear track 473, turn base runway 26 left, clear line.
Charlie.
Base runway 26 clear line, clear track 473.
Number 48 Echo, number 2, foreign traffic ahead of you in downwind runway 26 left, clear line.
Number 2, 305, clear to land 6 left, 3048 Echo. Keep landing checklist clear. Where's the plane? Over there.
Yep.
Long Beach Tower, Skyhawk 51594, holding short, runway 26 left, ready for departure to the west.
Number 2 Charlie Echo, make this a left downwind departure to cross midfield at or above 1,500.
Roger, left downwind departure 2 Charlie Echo. At or above 1,500.
Number 51594, straight out to cruise, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 26 left, 594.
Clear track 473, traffic will depart runway 30 prior to your Gulfstream.
Roger, two jag 473.
Left turn.
Repton.
Tower, Flint 36, coming up on low sail on the north side for 26 left.
Flint 36, Long Beach, Tower, make straight in runway 26 left, port 605.
Straight in, 26 left, report 605, 126.
95 knots left pass. And Repton. Good. 75 knots, left fanning.
Let's speed up a little bit.
Yep.
Number 2, Charlie Echo, thanks for your help. Contact SoCal departure, goodbye.
SoCal departure, good day, 2 Charlie Echo.
Aegis power. 70 knots.
I want you to land, see those white blocks?
Yeah.
I want you to land on those.
And 70 knots left sorry.
Alright, those white blocks is where I want you to land.
Yeah.
Clear track 473, turn left, Foxtrot 3, contact ground, traffic short final behind you.
Foxtrot 3, no delay, clear track 473. And Tower, Flint 36, we're just about over the 605.
Flint 36, thank you, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, clear to land, Flint 36.
Number 594, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 594.
Down.
Oh.
Alright.
Yep.
Alright, we're running close to the time there, so let me take it. My controls.
Air control.
Good job.
Number 48 Echo, turn left, Foxtrot 4, contact ground.
Foxtrot 4 ground, 48 Echo.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
26 left, taxi via Foxtrot, clear track 473.
Southwest 2977, new departure frequency 124.3.
24-3 on the departure, Southwest 2977.
Ground Cessna 304 Echo, Foxtrot 4, taxi Flying Club.
Number 304 Echo, Long Beach Round, Texas Flying Club via Foxtrot.
Flying Club via Foxtrot 4 Echo. Alright. We did this almost perfectly. We have to be done when that hits 0.
Yeah.
That's at 9, almost 0.
Yeah,
So,
it's changing.
Yes. So, perfect time.
I landed four times?
5 times, right?
5?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good.
And Long Beach County, Decathlon, November 8, Papa Mike, over here, Maverick,
Avionics
Counter
Master.
26, Papa Papa.
Decathlon,
Avionics
November 8,
Master.
Papa Mike, Long Beach, ground, runway 26 left, taxi via
Avionics,
Foxtrot.
yep.